Hello, my name is Kiefer and I'm a manager at a crypto exchange in Europe. Before joining Kieran's program, I was mainly an active investor. I dabbled a little bit in trading when I was younger, when I was a student, and earlier in my career. But for myself, I came to the conclusion if you want to do trading well, you probably have to do it full time. And likely it's for the 1% out there with a special set of skills and a special network. And I couldn't really find my ground with trading. And some of the issues that I was facing is, on the one hand, that my strategies weren't really working, and on the other hand, I just couldn't really find anything that gave me proper consistency. I just always felt that I was subject to my own discretion in a way. And I think what Kieran has really helped me with is he's helped me take away that discretion and helped me work on a rule-based system in trading that I can rely on. He's taught me that it's not really about being the smartest in the room for trading, but that it's much more about building good habits and good systems that you can hold yourself accountable on over time. And what Kieran's mentorship has brought me is, I think, an incredible amount of support. I think what Kieran does well is that he tailors his approach to you as an individual and your lifestyle. To give you an example, I didn't always throughout the program have the same amount of time. And when I had less time, Kieran showed me strategies and worked with me on the higher time frames to allow me to still trade with less time available. I think another thing that Kieran does quite good is that he's genuine, and he's genuine about your growth as a trader. And I think that's just a great person and a great mentor to have alongside you. Kieran has also helped me to become more profitable and also to become more stable, I would say, for sure in my investing, because Kieran has helped me with scaling in and scaling out strategies. And that way, besides being more profitable and having my levels set beforehand and very clear strategies of how I move in and out, it also helps me with having a good peace of mind because I already know how I enter, I know how I exit, and I have everything set up and know that it can be profitable if I enter and exit in that way. And at the moment, I have passed the demo prop firm challenge, and I'm at the moment in the actual prop firm challenges, which I'm very happy with. It's a good dot on the horizon, and it's just something, I think great to be at. I didn't expect that to be possible within a few months, but with Kieran's program, I've really seen that if you hold yourself accountable, you have a good set of systems, habits you can attain, that it is actually possible to be profitable within trading and to be profitable over a consistent amount of time. Now, I would recommend Kieran's program to anyone who is looking for a sustainable, rule-based way of trading. Whether you are more of a beginner, Kieran has a good habit of teaching you manageable steps within the strategies one by one until you grasp them. But also, if you have more experience, I would also recommend Kieran's program because he can help you to go really in depth and go into the complexity. So for anyone who's looking to amp up their trading, I would definitely recommend Kieran's program.